Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to the BrownShefu world, a food relisher. आज हम बनाएंगे, खाएंगे और रिव्यू करेंगे किमची रामयुंग नूडल्स from Nomshing brand. Let's get started. Hot your pan and add 500 ml of water in it. तब तक देखते हैं पैकेट में क्या क्या है. We have a perfectly round shaped noodles base. We'll add that noodle base to the boiling water and wait till 5 to 6 minutes to get it boil. And तब तक देखते हैं कि पैकेट में और क्या है. उसमें है dried vegetables and soupy spices. And no wonder a surprise visit from food inspector. Yes, Mr. Bobo, tell me. तब तक देखिए noodles are getting boiled perfectly. Now time to add. We are adding from our side a red bell pepper to it just to look it red hot. आप अपने चॉइस से कुछ भी एक्स्ट्रा वेजिटेबल्स डाल सकते हैं. It's up to you. And mix it well. Let's see कि नूडल्स पके हैं या नहीं. And then time to add the dehydrated vegetable from Nomshing. And then the spicy soupy masala. Instant noodle है लेकिन I could not wait no further, so I'm gonna test it right now. So the test is super hot. It's not hot in the sense of कि spicy है. It is comfortably spicy, but it left that subtle tingle on your lips on compilation, and a pretty good noodle with comfortable heat levels. And what say, you just try it right now if you can. So move your finger fast, guys. Bobo is waiting for your follow, subscription, comments and lots of love. Until next time, see you.